guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I go from 0 to 100 Baddie edition. I first like to prime my face using the Benefits Professional Pro Balm Primer. It minimizes the appearance of pores. It also contains vitamin E to protect your skin, and if you apply it with clean skin that's been moisturized, the benefits are the best. Once I've applied my primer, I then like to focus on my eyebrows. I personally love using the Anastasia Beverly Hills products, all in the shade Chocolate. To fill my eyebrows in, I start off by brushing all my hairs in one direction with a spoolie that's great for blending. And then I like to go in picking up small amounts from the brow pomade, and I like to carve my brows out. I like using NARS Cosmetics Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Biscuit to carve out my brows because it gives a really nice and natural look with high coverage. It also does a great job of cleaning up my brows. As you guys know, I haven't got my brows threaded in a while. I recently uploaded a fun, entertaining video on me relaxing my eyebrows. If you guys haven't checked out that video, make sure you guys check it out. I'll leave it in the card section above. If you're interested, make sure you go and check that video out. Now going in with my damp beauty blender, I like to go in and blend my concealer downward onto the eye area and overall just blend the product out. If you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, you would know I absolutely love this Clinique Beyond Perfecting 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. The formulation is amazing. It's super lightweight, but it's so full coverage at the same time, and it lasts up to 24 hours, which is phenomenal. I like to blend it out with the damp beauty blender for an airbrush finish. I try to avoid spreading the product out close to my eye area as I know I'll be concealing and I don't like to cake up my makeup, but I do like to distribute the product evenly throughout my face, making sure I blend down my neck as well. Now I like to go in and hydrate my lips, and I've been obsessed with this BECCA Cosmetics Liptuative Lip Gloss. You guys know this is the 411, this is the T. It's the perfect pink lip gloss as it alters and it adjusts to your own body chemistry. To conceal under my eyes, I'll be using the same NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. I first like to apply the product directly under my eye and then to my nose, my cupid's bow, and then my chin. Then I'll go back and work the product out to distribute it evenly underneath my eyes as I'm preparing to layer up with my second concealer. For my second concealer, I like to use the Amazing Cosmetics Amazing Concealer, and I'm in the shade Light Caramel, and you really only need a small amount of this because it is extremely full coverage, which is what I really like about this concealer. And I like to use my beauty blender to blend it out as well. And as you guys can see, the concealer definitely highlighted and brightened my face up. To set my concealer, I've been trying out this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Loose Setting Powder in Translucent, and honestly you guys, for the price point, this translucent powder works very well, but it's nothing compared to the Laura Mercier translucent powder. For me, I notice my makeup separates a lot around my smile lines, so I typically have to add additional powder so that my makeup can last longer. To contour, I like to use the LA Pro Girl Concealer HD Concealer in the shade Chestnut. I haven't found a better complexion cream product to contour with, but to be honest with you guys, for the price point and how easy it is to find this concealer, I really think I'm going to continue to use it because it's just so amazing. I mean, why not? I like to contour my jaws, my nose, as well as underneath my bottom lip. And to blend out my contour, I've been obsessed. Let me tell you guys, I've been obsessed with this Sigma Beauty contour brush. It is amazing. It blends out so well. It is just the best brush ever. It blends out product effortlessly. Make sure you guys check out the description box down below, as you guys can save 10% off your entire Sigma Beauty purchase with my coupon code JazzieJT at checkout. Make sure you guys check the description box, as I'll have all that information down there below. I like to use any remaining product that might be left on my brush to contour my forehead as well as my chin line. And contouring my nose is definitely something I love doing to snatch my makeup together. It's just something I can't skip. Now, if you don't personally like to contour your nose, I definitely understand, so you can skip this step. But in my honest opinion, it just really ties your makeup in together. So make sure you contour all the way up to your brow bone if you are going to contour your nose. This way it makes it look so natural and it blends in effortlessly. To set my contour in place, I like to use a bronzing palette, and I'm not too sure where you can find this palette at anymore, you guys. It has been extremely impossible for me to find this palette, but I mix all of these shades together for the perfect bronze shade. Moving on to my favorite part of my makeup routine, which is blush, you guys. I'm such a blush girl, like, can't you tell? So I like to use this Sigma Blush Cheek Palette. It comes with 6 universal shades and they are so stunning. I apply my blush to the apples of my cheeks, and I use the rest of the product that might be left on my brush to apply to the temples of my forehead to warm up my face even more. To highlight the highest parts of my cheekbones, I like to use the BECCA Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter in the shade, obviously, Champagne Pop. It is a pretty mix of soft white gold with pinky peach undertones, and it just really complements my skin tone perfectly, as you guys can see. Going back in with my bronzer, I'm going to use this caramel shade in my crease, and I like to blend it out in a windshield wiper motion. Because this color is so close to my skin tone, I like to build the product up so you can really see the color payoff. For my eyelids, I like to keep it really simple using my STILA Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Enchantress. And oh my gosh, these STILA Magnificent liquid eyeshadows are the truth. They are so pretty, they're so buildable. The flat applicator really allows more control versus using a brush. I like to follow up with the brush to blend out the hard edges because I don't want it to look like I'm doing a cut crease. I just wanted to add it to my lid. Taking that same short eyeshadow brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that liquid eyeshadow towards the front part of my lower water lash line. Moving on, I'm going to take my Sigma Beauty ChromaGlow Shimmer Highlight Palette to highlight the inner tear ducts of my eyes using that shade Zeal. Going back in with that same bronzing palette, I'm just going to go ahead and grab that caramel shade I used in my crease to apply that to my lower water lash line. I've been obsessed. Let me tell you guys, I've been obsessed with the way adding a white eyeliner gives my eyes a really nice open effect. It really makes your eyes pop, so I'll be adding this Ruby Kisses white liner to my water lash line. I went ahead and applied the rest of my eyeliner as well as my lashes off camera because I will be uploading a separate dedicated video to share with you guys on how I do that. So to complete this look, I've been using the Skindinavia Bridal Makeup Finishing Spray, and it has a super fine mist, you guys. And when I use this setting spray, my makeup lasts all day without a doubt, no matter how hot it gets. So I hope you guys enjoyed this 0 to 100 baddie style makeup tutorial. All the products that I mentioned in today's video will be down in the description box. Make sure you guys check that out, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.